My name is Brian McIntosh. I'm the owner of Ontario Wheel Repair. I'm a shop based out of London, Ontario. We specialize in remanufacture of aluminum wheels. We've been a client of Greensolv for about 10 years.
So why did you start using Greensolv?
We started using Greensolv as a way to increase our productivity. We needed a way to increase throughput and expand our capabilities, and Greensolv was one of the companies we researched. After linking up with them, we found them to be a great team to work with, and they were ready to grow with our needs. We started very small with them, we started with a small strip tank, and we now operate 2 fairly large-sized strip tanks.
What advantages has Greensolv brought to your business?
Greensolv has brought an increased throughput and ability to take on wheels we otherwise would not be able to do. So, yeah.
What's your favorite thing about Greensolv?
Favorite thing about Greensolv is their customer service. It's incredible customer service. We get visits from the team about every half year. We get feedback on the usage of our product, and they're always there for us when we have technical questions or questions about growth. It's like working with a true partner.